Program is sponsored by Carlton Public Relations and Ferris, Riley and Pitt, attorneys that...
This is Fox 6 WBRC Law Call.
Hello, welcome into Law Call. We've got the answers to your legal questions. Here's what's coming up tonight. We're going to be talking about driving under the influence, DUI. So if you are pulled over, should you refuse the breathalyzer? If you've gotten a DUI in the past, what will a second or third mean for your driver's license, your record, or even insurance? Give us a call tonight with your questions. Our phone number is 855-LAW-1955. Plus, a trip to the doctor means signing a lot of forms. So what do they mean? And if something does go wrong with your treatment, have you signed all of your rights away? We're going to talk about medical consent tonight. So if you have been involved in a wreck with someone that's intoxicated, that driver may not be the only person at fault. We're going to also discuss tonight dram shop laws and what you need to know about that. But first, we've got personal injury attorney Ken Riley. He's here to take a look at one of your email questions. And Ken, tonight's question comes from Kevin. And Kevin writes in saying, I got hit by a car at a crossing a busy intersection. There's no crosswalk or signals for pedestrians. I feel like the driver's insurance should pay for my injuries, but a friend told me that I was at fault for jaywalking. Is he right? So what do you think about that?
Yeah, you know, I don't know that you're at fault for jaywalking because you're at an intersection and you can cross an intersection, but the problem here is that this is going to be a tough case. It's kind of, it's one of those scenarios where the law of contributory negligence may come into play. Now, that doesn't mean in every scenario like this, and we've had some cases where we've won some cases like this, where there wasn't a crosswalk and someone got injured, and it was because the other person was simply not paying attention, or they ran a stoplight, or some other reason. So I wouldn't throw in the towel just yet, but you got to know that, like your friend says, you got to look both ways. You got to make sure it's clear before you take off. But there are some circumstances where you could recover from the insurance company from the person who struck you.